Alright gang, it's your girl Jorryn back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I'm here with a challenge video. So, before I even sat down to record this video, y'all, let me tell y'all. I was like thinking what type of challenge video should I do for them? You know, what's a good video that's gonna make their week 10 times better than it was before they see my video? And I was thinking, because you know it's a lot of challenges, and I'm like, you already know your girl loves to eat, so I'm like, let me do a food challenge video. And I'm like, you know, what type of food challenge video? Let me eat a certain color food for 24 hours. Y'all know there's so many colors in the rainbow. I just got thinking, like, you know, there's blue, there's orange, there's green, there's brown, there's yellow. And then it came to me, it was like, boom, red. I'm like, oh, okay, I see what you're doing there. So, your girl is back with a only eating red food for 24 hours challenge video. And y'all know how I do. Y'all know I went to the exclusives of the exclusive Kroger. Went to Kroger. And I went and got my red food. Go ahead and roll the clip for me. So, you know, that's my little montage of what I got for red foods. But so we're starting with breakfast. Let me tell y'all the plan first. So the plan is to go breakfast, lunch, then dinner. So we're eating strawberry yogurt for breakfast. You know, I love me some strawberry yogurt. I really love me some yogurt in general. Y'all should have seen me. It was a little struggle trying to only get strawberry yogurt. Let me go ahead and pray over my little yogurt before. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food. Bless him to prepare it. Make sure it's nourishment to my body. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Alright, y'all. So, you know, if you decide to eat with me on this red food challenge day, what are you eating? It's good. I'm saying like I ain't strawberry yogurt before, but it's good. Yeah. How is y'all's week going so far? Mine almost got me there. My week, ooh, they changed my voice, everything. My week's going great. It's going great, guys. It's busy because y'all know I be working every day, getting that money. But it's going great. I have been brainstorming some videos for y'all and coming up with some, you know, new content. So that's exciting for me and for y'all. I'm really thinking about doing something big. I can't tell y'all yet. But, you know, I'm not going to speak too much on it because, you know, I'm going to get it together before I even, you know, announce. And make sure this is something I really want to do before I announce my plan. So, yeah, so I got big stuff, big things coming in the works. Let me know. I just realized everybody should be, well, not everybody. College students, how was your finals? How were they? Were they good? Were they bad? Were they in? And then high school students, if you're in high school, how are you preparing for your finals? I think y'all still got, what is it, 2 more weeks y'all still got? I think it's 2 more weeks. Yeah, how are y'all preparing for y'all's finals? My finals are real good, y'all. They were great. I mean, well, yeah, they were great. At least 2 of mine were great. Because only 2 of my professors put in my grades so far, so I need my other ones to put my grades in so my GPA can come out, you know, spotless, great, amazing. That's about it for breakfast. I will see y'all when it's lunchtime. I am back and it's lunchtime. I got me some watermelon chunks. And I got me some Jello. Hello. Alright. And y'all, just a heads up. We're gonna be doing dinner at work because your girl gotta work today. So. I work 1 to 9 today, so we'll be hitting dinner up at work. Let me know down in the comment section if y'all like watermelon. I like watermelon. It's fun. Mom and T don't like watermelon though. She told her that in her one video she took over. If you ain't seen her takeover video, go watch it. But don't stop watching this one. Watch her takeover video after you watch this one. Let me know what y'all's plans for today is too. I like talking to y'all too while I'm doing all challenge videos. Cause I don't want y'all to be sitting here watching me just eat and me not talking. So yeah, let me know what y'all's plans for the day is. I just been chilling at home waiting to go to work. Honestly, I started watching this new show called The Greenhouse Academy on Netflix. And y'all, it's good. Every episode is something else. Like, and I just started it last night. I started last night at like, I watched 3 episodes. They're 30 minutes long, by the way. Because it's a show. And I think I started at like 1. No, it's like 12:30. And y'all watched the first 3 episodes and it was good. I would have watched more, but I, you know, would have been up super late. It would have been like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And that's how good it is, y'all. I have 4 left in there. I think I'm gonna go ahead and save these for later. Not later today, but like, you know, later. I will see y'all for dinner at work. So guys, I'm back. And I totally forgot my Gatorade. I didn't drink it during my lunch. So yeah. It was like I thought I was gonna put my stuff up. I'm like, oh shoot, I didn't drink my Gatorade. So here I am drinking my Gatorade. Y'all, let me tell y'all. So when I was in college, I mean, I'm still in college, but when I was on campus, I used to mix the blue and the red Powerade. It was so good. And then my favorite color, I know, purple made purple, but it was so good. I miss it. I'm gonna put y'all on. If y'all have not tried it, y'all need to try it. Best drink you might ever drink. But that's it. That's all for here. Let's go ahead and go to dinner. Alright, girls in a break room. It's time for dinner. Got the hot Cheetos, extra hot, because you know, you're going to know weak stuff over here. And I got cherry sparkling ice. didn't end up doing snack because I came from my Jello. And my locker gonna be good hot, so it was super slow today, y'all. Like, we have about 2 or 3 cars every hour. That's it. Yeah, I'm really proud of myself. Like, I didn't know if I was gonna be able to do it. Only eating red food. Because red food is just like snack foods, and you know, your girl likes to eat big meals. But, you know, I'm like it work. I really don't know how I feel about eating only this for dinner though. I might have to eat a lot, but I don't only eat red food. I ain't gonna cheat. So, but what's good about it is I ain't really been out in the store to like see all the other different types of food I could eat. So I just been back here in the back. But as far as when like my lunchtime goes, I'm still gonna sit back here because it's gonna be a minute I walk outside the door. I'm coming to the back. That I'm gonna buy something that's not red. That's over. That's about it, y'all. I'm here till 9, so if I get along hungry, I might snack on me some more. So y'all, your girl is home, comfortable in the comfortable clothes, clean up, fresh out the shower, and I wanted some dessert. So y'all know I told y'all before I'm gonna be eating my Jello, so it's good. And y'all, this one actually tastes like cold, like colder than the one from lunch. And y'all update. I had to end up going out into the rest of the store for my lunch, y'all. It was so hard. I seen a whole bunch of stuff I just couldn't get. Your girl successfully did a challenge. Woo woo. Woo woo, do a spin. Woo woo. I did it. Just like I successfully body any other challenge. Y'all know. Y'all see the videos. Bam. Done. Who did that? I did that. Period. So y'all, that about wraps up this video. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Comment down below what more videos you want to see me do. Hit that subscribe button. Join that my page because we're lit over here. Hit that post notification button so that you're notified every single time your girl posts a video. And like always, y'all know the saying, I should get a t-shirt with a saying on it just so I can wear it. So y'all know. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I'll catch y'all in the next video.